learners.
Let's learn 50 daily use action words. Run, run. Man is running. Walk, walk. Man is walking. Eat, eat. Woman is eating. Drink, drink. Woman is drinking. Sit, sit. Girl is sitting. Stand, stand. Woman is standing. Sleep, sleep. Baby is sleeping. Wake up, wake up. She is waking up. Talk, talk. They are talking. Listen, listen. She is listening. Read, read. She is reading book. Write, write. She is writing. Open, open. He is opening door. Close, close. He is closing door. Cook, cook. They are cooking. Wash, wash. She is washing vegetables. Clean, clean. She is cleaning. Cry, cry. Girl is crying. Laugh, laugh. Baby is laughing. Jump, jump. They are jumping. Dance, dance. They are dancing. Sing, sing. Man is singing. Play, play. Kids are playing. Draw, draw. She is drawing. Smile, smile. Woman is smiling. Hug, hug. They are hugging. Kiss, kiss. Woman is kissing. Clap, clap. She is clapping. Kick, kick. Boy is kicking ball. Throw, throw. He is throwing ball. Catch, catch. He is catching ball. Push, push. She is pushing wheelchair. Pull, pull. They are pulling. Look, look. She is looking. See, see. She is seeing pepper. Hear, hear. He is hearing. Smell. Smell. She is smelling flowers. Touch. Touch. She is touching flower. Bath. Bath. He is bathing. Brushing. Brushing. Boy is brushing. Combing. Combing. Man is combing. Count. Count. She is counting. Think. Think. He is thinking. Help. Help. He is helping. Wait. Wait. He is waiting. Call. Call. He is calling. Watch. Watch. They are watching TV. Shopping. Shopping. She is shopping. Ride. Ride. She is riding cycle. Climb. Climb. Boy is climbing slide. Thank you for watching Momo Learners. Like, share and subscribe.